voice. 1. How placed to such understanding are you or I? How placed with the traffic in the shadows of the buildings? The voice of such, which is a persistent rain, a few trees, pavement, then stone steps in light. If you or I were to write here, midnight sun, would it be esoteric? Would the phrase turn back upon itself into dunes? How placed that is not academic, placed within the life. How placed am I or you? 2. The society corrupt, alienating, yet even the children, the story says, recite the name of the holy in the street as they play. Name, itself foundation, ground, groundless, reaching as a voice, the pictures, the charm in the midst. 3. Windows blur in the image from excess of light, so that only one edge of 4 remains as a clean straight line. Rows of faces, some of them sided with light. Succession, flow maybe of pictures, words, nothing within that in itself to give love solace. The discrete frames of vision, the material, the transcendental, equally a house, the boards fall into the darkness, once more speaking to, in front, sitting within that same darkness, several. 4. A white nimbus behind his head like a dining plate, gentle figure receiving alms, above him against the night are held white flowers or stars. That night I dreamt they had killed a monk for wearing his robes the wrong way. A young boy's throat slit as an object lesson. He sprawled and writhed in his own blood. Helpless, we were the periphery, seeing through into nothing, groundless ground.